The Mount of the Sun and its meaning. The Mount of the Sun is found under the base of the third finger. To this mount, the Greeks also gave the name the Mount of Apollo. When large or well developed, it indicates glory, publicity, a desire to shine before one's fellows. It always considered a good mount to have large. It also indicates enthusiasm for the beautiful in all things, whether one follows an artistic calling or not. People with this mount large, even if they have success in practical life, build beautiful houses or have artistic surroundings of some sort. Also have an expensive temperament, are generous and luxurious in all their tastes. They are bright and sunny by nature and have a forceful, happy, lucky personality. This mount may be considered positive when the subject is found to be born between the dates of July 21st and August 20th, and generally until the 28th of the month, which portion of the zodiac is called the House of the Sun. These people represent what may be called the heart force of the human race, and as a rule are generous and sympathetic even to an extreme. They also have great force of character and personality, and even when constrained by circumstances to exist in lower walks of life, they play even there a role distinct from their fellows, and their clean out, well marked personality is sure to make itself manifest. At heart, they are really most sympathetic, though they often seem to hide this quality on account of their strong sense of trying to force people to do what is right towards others. They have no mercy for weaklings or evaders of the truth, and in brutal frankness, they will even denounce their own children should they find them falling into evil ways. They display the greatest loyalty if any friend of theirs is attacked, especially if an underhand way. They love intensely and they hate intensely. There is no middle path, for they must be either at one extreme or another. Although truthful and naturally honest, they often get terribly deceived, and danger is with other people that towards the sunset of their lives. Many of these people who have cheered others, who have brought their grand sunshine of good into the hearts of others, cannot cheer themselves when the twilight comes, and so they often fall victims to gloom and melancholy and may commit suicide. Among other marked characteristics, these people are extremely proud and would sooner die than ask favors from others. They are extremely easily wounded through their pride and are usually sensitive. Impetuous and hot tempered, they make many enemies, and when engaged in public life, which they are usually well fitted for, they often find themselves bitterly attacked in most unscrupulous manner. Those born in the dates I have told, or who have the mount of the sun large, are most inclined to suffer with pains, palpitations, and trouble of the heart, head, and ears, with inflammation of the eyes, kidneys, and swellings and injuries to the feet.